get set up. So what we basically are educators and a training organization. We do not sell anything or receive kickback from any product or services. This session, it will be recorded. So if you have registered for the class, you can ask for the recording for the session by writing to help@getsetup.io. You will receive an email after the session as well for the same. Now ma'am will be explaining. So if you have any queries, we will take it up like yes, one by one, but we will make sure that so the explanation goes smoothly. We will keep ourselves on mute so that everybody can listen to ma'am bit nicer. Yeah. Now about Get Set Up. So this is a platform for the seniors and by the seniors, as all of us know. And we are trying to create economic opportunity here for the seniors. At the same time, it will help others like us who will be attending the session to learn something. Like in this one, we will be learning about abdominal bloating, I guess. So yes, these things help us to live healthy lives. Besides health and fitness, we have classes across other categories as well. You can see here, like it will be singing classes, dancing classes, and so on. So yes, if you are interested, you can explore the getsetup.in site. I'll be posting all these links in the chat so you can get it from there. Now, yes, if you know anyone, like your family, friends, anyone who might benefit from these classes, like this is going to be quite informative as the other session of ma'am. So yes, spread the word. It's good to have like more people with us. Last but not the least, if you have any ideas for the classes, any suggestions, any comments, so yes, do share. That will be just wonderful. And these suggestions can be mailed also to siddharth@getsetup.io. In case you like it's not the session, after the session you think of something, so you just can write on this one. Okay, so that will be the introductory part. Now I will hand it over to Bhavani ma'am. Thank you, everyone. Bhavani ma'am.
Yeah, welcome all of you. Namaste. Good afternoon. Welcome to Get Set Up. Thank you for joining here. And Preeti, thank you so much for giving the brief introduction. I'll quickly share my screen before I start with today's topic. And I think today's topic, all of you will love to know about this. So just to give a quick introduction of myself, I'm Bhavani Swaminathan, nutritionist and certified diabetes educator. And Preeti has already given a brief introduction about Get Set Up. So when it comes to today's topic, it is about remedies for bloating abdomen. So what can be done and why this problem occurs, we are going to discuss on that. I right now I'm going to mute everyone. So when I'm talking or saying something, if you have any question, you can please put it on the chat box, and Preeti will be taking up the questions. And at the end, 10 to 15 minutes, we can have a discussion at the end. Okay. So the topic is remedies for abdominal bloating, and most of us, we have this problem. And actually, we blame that कुछ खाया नहीं, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं खाया, इतना कुछ ये नहीं किया, एक्सरसाइज किया, I went for morning walk, I did my exercise, I did my pranayam, but still I am suffering from this bloating. पानी पीने से भी I feel कि मेरा पेट फूल रहा है. So this is a very common complaint which is done by most of us, and especially after crossing the age of 45-50, we often find this problem, and later on it becomes a kind of permanent thing कि थोड़ा सा भी अगर कुछ खाया तो पेट फूल जाता है, ऐसा लगता है बहुत कुछ खा लिया है. This is a very common complaint which usually people talk about. Now, before I start with giving you some tips on or home remedies how we can overcome this bloating, let us understand that why this bloating occurs. There has to be some reason. Okay, like in spite of the thing, like you might be saying ki I didn't eat much food, I didn't have heavy meal, my food is very light, it's not very oily, it does not have much of sweets, but still ये वाली प्रॉब्लम क्यों हो रही है? एवरी टाइम आई फील दैट माई स्टमक इज फिल्ड अप विथ गैस और विथ समथिंग एंड आई एम ऑलवेज फाइंडिंग दैट अनइजीनेस, एक अजीब तरह का एक तकलीफ हो रही है. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम मेनली lot of us we face. Now why this happens? Okay, to understand in a very general terms, let's understand कि in our stomach, this earlier also I had conducted a session on probiotics for gut health. Okay, so हमें ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है कि there are certain bacteria inside our stomach which are very helpful when it comes to digestion, because when we talk about bacteria we always feel that bacteria or germs are bad, but these are good bacteria which are going to help us to digest the food which we are eating. And once the digestion is done properly, then we find that bloating, indigestion, constipation, acidity, gastric problem, these things will not occur. But what happens is, these bacteria, the good bacteria which are present in our stomach, there has to be a certain number of bacteria which are going to help us in our digestion. जब ये बैक्टीरियाज का जो पॉपुलेशन है, जब हमारे पेट में, इंटेस्टाइन में जब कम होने लगता है, तो हमारे जो इंटेस्टाइन या हमारे पेट की जो कैपेसिटी है डाइजेशन करने की, वो कम हो जाती है. और जैसी डाइजेस्टिव कैपेसिटी हमारी कम होती है, वी फाइंड दैट व्हाटएवर वी आर ईटिंग, इट इज नॉट गेटिंग डाइजेस्टेड प्रॉपरली, एंड दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई वी फाइंड दैट हमेशा पेट में एक भारीपन लगा रहता है, irrespective of doing exercises and pranayam and having a very simple diet. Okay, so this can be one reason that you do not have enough of good bacteria in your stomach, which is helping the food to get digested. Second thing is, if we go way back, if you try to take out your case history, अगर हम past में जाने की कोशिश करें, so just think कि maybe you had lot of antibiotics in your past, and for women, if you had lot of contraceptive pills in your past, and if you were under too much medications, these may be some of the reasons why your bacterias, the good bacterias, are not in a certain amount, required amount, which is necessary in our stomach. तो हमारे पेट में ये बैक्टीरियाज कम क्यों होते जा रहे हैं? क्योंकि ये बैक्टीरियाज बहुत जरूरी है फूड को डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए, और ये कम क्यों हो रहे हैं, अगर हम इसके बारे में अगर फाइंड आउट करने की कोशिश करें, तो पास्ट में जाना पड़ेगा. पास्ट में आपको ये सोचना पड़ेगा कि मैंने क्या बहुत सारी एंटीबायोटिक्स खाए थे अपने कुछ सालों पहले, या फिर मैंने बहुत सारे कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव पिल्स खाए थे, या फिर मैंने बहुत सारे मेडिकेशंस लिए थे. क्योंकि ये कारण हो सकते हैं कि आपके अंदर का जो बैक्टीरिया है, दोज बैक्टीरियाज, गुड बैक्टीरियाज, आर नॉट इन द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर, जिसकी वजह से हमारा डाइजेशन अच्छा होता है. Okay, so these might be some of the reasons why our good bacteria are not growing, and जिसकी वजह से हमारा digestion नहीं हो रहा है, और जिसकी वजह से bloating हम महसूस कर रहे हैं. Okay, now we have understood that, because see, I'll give you one small example. Like many people have this habit, right? Even when I talk about I can speak about my mom. I mean, in this on this Get Set Up platform, she has this habit of taking one tablet every morning, empty stomach, to get rid of acidity. And see, doctor advises that you take this medicine, क्योंकि किसी किसी को खाना ऐसे लगता है गले से बाहर आ जाएगा, always वो acidity एक feeling होती रहती है. So doctor advises that you take for 15-20 days, or maybe 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and then you stop. But then इट बिकम साइकोलॉजिकल कि अगर मैंने स्टॉप किया फिर 1-2 दिन बाद वापस मुझे तकलीफ होने लगी तो द पर्सन अगेन स्टार्ट्स हैविंग दैट मेडिसिन. So same I have seen with my mom and lot of elderly people. Even after doctor says that you stop taking the medications, they still continue thinking that कि चलो ये सुबह सुबह उठ के खाली पेट अगर एसिडिटी की दवाई खा ली तो होल डे आई कैन ईट समथिंग. अगर मैंने दवाई नहीं ली तो मुझे खाना ठीक से उतरेगा नहीं गले से. Now this is something wrong. Unnecessary medications. See, medicines are required when your body needs it, when you are sick, when you are not well, and when the doctor advises you take medicine. But a lot of people have this habit of just taking medicines. थोड़ा सा कुछ हो गया, immediately they start popping up a pill. So बार बार अगर हम medicines ऐसे ही अगर खाते रहते हैं तो हमारी immunity भी weak होने लगती है. और ये भी एक कारण होता है कि हमारे जो ये प्रोबायोटिक्स वाले जो जिसके बारे में मैं कह रही हूँ, जो गुड बैक्टीरिया वाले जो हमारे पेट में है, ये भी कम होने लगते हैं. रिमेम्बर, व्हेन द गुड बैक्टीरियाज आर लेस in number in our stomach, that is going to, kind of, you will not be able to digest your food properly. And when the digestion is not happening properly, it means कि आपका ये ब्लोटिंग आपको पता चलने लगेगा, इंडाइजेशन आपको पता चलने लगेगा. एंड देन उसके बाद में जैसे इंडाइजेशन होने लगती है, अगेन वी फील दैट वी मूव टुवर्ड्स आयुर्वेदा. इफ वी हैव सम चूरन एंड ऑल, दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प. बट वो चूरन भी अगर आप कंटिन्यूअसली बार बार लेते रहते हैं, वो भी आपको तकलीफ देगी. इट इज गोइंग टू हैव सम और द अदर साइड इफेक्ट. सो रिमेम्बर that we need to increase the number of good bacteria in our stomach. Now, how do we do this? Because we have to get rid of bloating. So when we want to get rid of bloating, we have to increase the number of good bacteria in our stomach. Now, how do we increase this good bacteria in our stomach? कि इसको कैसे increase करें? तो छोटे-छोटे tips होते हैं, बहुत छोटे-छोटे small tips which you can follow in your day-to-day life and you can see the difference. First tip है, अगर आप if you feel that too much of bloating you are experiencing, that food is not getting digested, so number one thing which you can do is start having curd empty stomach. When you get up in the morning, start having say a small bowl of curd. But usually what happens, we have curd either in the breakfast or during our lunch. Okay, but food के साथ में the regular food which we are eating, उसके साथ में अगर आप दही खाते हैं तो वो जो दही का effectiveness जो है वो कम हो जाता है. So remember that when you get up in the morning, you did not have your chai, coffee or something, your stomach is empty. At that time, you take a small bowl of curd, you have that curd. Because what happens is this curd is considered as probiotic. It is very excellent for our gut health. तो जैसे ही आप curd खाएंगे, वो भी freshly prepared curd, remember this, पैकेट जो हम मार्केट से खरीद के द डब्बा which we are bringing, that curd is not considered as a good probiotic. घर में when you heat the milk and then you add 1 or 2 teaspoon of curd to it and you keep it overnight or 5 to 6 hours, जब वो curd, वो दही जब जमता है, that dahi contains good amount of bacteria, okay, which is good for our gut health. So remember, when you get up in the morning, first thing is you can have a small bowl of curd. Now every day, if you feel that you're getting bored of having curd, you can go for another option, and that is apple cider vinegar. So that will also help you to some extent because it is also fermented. So आपने जैसे 1 week you had curd, another 1 week you go for apple cider vinegar, and इस तरह से then on the 3rd week you can go for kanji. I had discussed about kanji in my earlier sessions also, how we can make it at home. So these things, I think curd is the easiest option because हम सबके घर पे दही तो जमता ही है, घर पे रहता ही है. So अगर आपको बहुत ज्यादा bloating की इश्यू हो रही है, आपको लगता है फूड पानी तक डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो रहा है, so in that case you start having, including curd in your diet, especially in the morning, empty stomach. This is one way to get rid of this issue. Now, moving on to certain things. Now, there are few what to say, things which I'll tell you, like this can be considered as improper lifestyle or improper eating habit, because I've seen people immediately after having food, they have this habit of drinking tea or coffee. Like काफी लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि खाना खाने के तुरंत बाद चाय या कॉफी पीते हैं. If you have this habit, make sure that you stop this, because once we eat food, whatever nutrition we are supplying to each and every cell of our body, immediately when you are drinking tea or coffee, वो सारी चीजें बर्बाद हो जाती हैं. ओके क्योंकि हमारा जो पेट है वो इतनी उसकी कैपेसिटी नहीं है कि वो खाने के ऊपर में चाय को भी वो डाइजेस्ट करे, बिकॉज द चाय और कॉफी इज गोइंग टू किल the good bacterias which are helping us to digest the food. इसलिए आपको कभी अगर आपको ये आदत है कि आपने खाना खाने के तुरंत बाद, क्योंकि मैं बहुत सारे लोगों को देखती हूँ कि immediately after having breakfast or after having lunch they have this habit of having tea or coffee. So if you have this habit, make sure that you stop this. Once you stop this habit, you will automatically find the difference. आपको धीरे धीरे पता चलेगा कि digestion में improvement होता जा रहा है. Now, another faulty habit is drinking too much of cold drink, aerated drinks. So cold drinks or aerated drink, because अभी गर्मी आ रही है, so बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लगती है, तो it's very easy that you buy some aerated drink and put it in the refrigerator. ठंडा ठंडा पीने में अच्छा लगता है, but that ठंडा is going to again affect your gut health. आपकी जो good bacteria है वो आप खत्म कर देंगे ये सारे aerated drinks. So make sure that you are avoiding all the aerated drinks. You're avoiding tea and coffee immediately after your breakfast and lunch. So these are the small, steps, measures you can take so that you can increase the level of your good bacteria. Okay. Now I can see. Okay. Now moving on to some of the home remedies or tips which you can follow in case if you find that too much of bloating is happening. So one easiest and the best tip is just mix juice of radish juice and nimbu juice. Say 1 teaspoon of radish juice and 1 teaspoon of nimbu juice, and after your lunch and dinner you can just have this. It's in the concentrated form. So this is really effective when you want to get rid of this kind of bloating. जैसे बहुत gastric gas form हो गया है, बहुत indigestion सा लग रहा है. So you feel, that your stomach is little bit protruding. जैसे normal जो stomach होता है उससे 2-2.5 इंच और बाहर आया है, बढ़ गया है, बैठने में तकलीफ हो रही है. So these things when you start realizing, so these are some of the tips which can be done just by mixing nimbu juice and radish juice together, and after the food you can have. Another solution is make methi ka powder. You just grind it in the mixer. Fine powder you make with methi seeds. Store this methi seed powder. What you can do is just take small bowl of dahi. As I said, in the morning you can take dahi. So in that dahi, you just add 1 teaspoon of methi powder and have this dahi. This is very effective when you have this kind of bloating. Now, methi is a very good ingredient which will help to get rid of bloating and acidity and gastric problem. So start including methi leaves in your diet. So make sabjis, make some, even when we are making chapati or paratha, so add it to the flour. So in various ways you start including methi leaves in your diet, and methi powder can be added to dahi and you can have that. Another thing is I just wanted to show, I think it's there. Yeah. So hing is asafoetida is something which we all have at home, right? So this is, I actually tried with this. I'll just show it to you if you can see. Can you see this looks like a chocolate, this Cadbury type it looks. So usually what we do is we buy hing ka powder, asafoetida powder is very easily available. You just search for this. Everywhere you will get this. So This I got it in a small box, after searching a lot. So most of the shops में मिल जाता है, but it's little difficult also. If you get this kind of hing, this is the best hing. Rather than going for powder, you buy this. इसको थोड़ा सा पत्थर में कूट के you can make a powder in the mixer. Then what you have to do is just say 1/4 teaspoon of hing के powder में you add 1/4 teaspoon of black salt and heat oil. It can be any oil, it can be coconut oil or mustard oil. कोई भी oil को आपको heat करना है, and then 1/4 teaspoon of hing ka powder like this. Don't go for the powder which is available in the market. Iska powder banana, and to this add black salt ka powder. वो गरम जो oil है, in that oil you mix these two, and immediately you apply it on your navel area. You start massaging it on your navel area. So like older people, they suffer a lot with this bloating problem, gastric problem. मतलब वो गैस की वजह से लगता है अंदर ही अंदर कुछ घूम रहा है, बहुत तकलीफ होती है. So this is very effective. You just massage it on your navel area, on the complete abdomen. हल्के हाथों से आप मसाज करोगे थोड़े टाइम के लिए, and then you go for a walk after massaging. So जितना भी गैस जो accumulate हो गया है, it will come out after massaging, and after you go for walk थोड़ा सा पेट उससे हल्का हो जाता है. So this is another option which is a very good remedy. You can try, go for this. Now moving on to the next home remedy which can be done for bloating is, when you eat, like I said, dahi is the best option. Curd in the morning, empty stomach, this is the best option. But say for example, few days you had dahi and then you are getting bored of having the same curd again and again. Now go for banana. That also in empty stomach. See, whatever remedies we are discussing right now, excepting the application part, most of the things is going to be empty stomach. Only the radish and the nimbu juice, which I said, that is after meals. You can have this juice. Okay. But jo methi powder with dahi hai, that is also empty stomach. Only dahi if you are eating, that also empty stomach is beneficial. Eating bananas, 2 small bananas, elaichi banana, that is also empty stomach in the morning is very beneficial. Okay. Now one more solution can be, like बहुत ज़्यादा, like don't do this for a very long time. Maybe 4 or 5 days you try and then stop it. Isabgol is very easily available in the medical store. Okay, and it is very safe also. So buy this Isabgol, just 1 teaspoon of Isabgol, add it in a glass of warm water, mix it. वो थोड़ा सा it gets mixed with the water and वो अलग सा एक semi-solid liquid, एक semi-solid thing जैसा बन जाता है. Now you drink that before going to bed, and do not do it regularly. Say 3, 4 or maximum 5 days you have done this, you have taken the Isabgol and then you stop it. Okay, so this is a very good remedy for bloating stomach जिनका बहुत फूलता जा रहा है उनके लिए, गैस की वजह से उनके लिए this is very good. Now again moving on to a much simpler thing, that is just by taking ginger juice and pudina juice. Okay, now mixing of ginger juice and pudina juice, say 1 teaspoon ginger juice, 1 teaspoon pudina juice, and 2 to 3 times in a day we can have this. This is also very effective for the bloating problem. And we all know that buttermilk is the excellent solution. So twice a day you can have buttermilk. When you're having buttermilk, make sure that you're adding some pudina and ginger to it. This will be more effective. So these are some of the home remedies which you can go for this bloating. Now bloating, another reason for bloating is, constipation. Because constipation, अगर if your bowel movement is not clear, अगर आपका पेट अच्छे से साफ नहीं हो रहा है, that means it is going to create lot of problem. ये bloating आपको जो uneasiness पेट में है वो हमेशा लगा रहेगा. Now constipation, how do we clear this constipation? Because what happens is, there we say that, okay, I'm having very good food, I include vegetables, I include fruits in my diet, everything, I'm doing exercising, but still this constipation problem or my bowels are not getting cleared. This is a very common problem, am I right? This, like most of us, we experience this. Now, constipation ki first thing is we need to understand what are the reasons for constipation. Okay. See, now just do not look everything in this current situation like abhi, is waqt, what we are having, how is our lifestyle. We are not talking about this. We are talking about the past. See, everywhere you will find that we have to go back to the history. कि पीछे 10 साल पहले या 20 साल पहले, 15 साल पहले, what was our eating habit, what was our lifestyle, because एक दिन में constipation नहीं होता है. This takes lot of time. If your lifestyle is not good, if your eating habit is not good, so initially वो एक एज में ये सब पता नहीं चलता है, but once we start growing, once we start crossing a particular age, then our body starts showing us the symptoms that this is not okay. ओके, तो कॉन्स्टिपेशन का रूट कॉज समझना बहुत जरूरी है. नाउ व्हाई कॉन्स्टिपेशन हैपेंस? बिकॉज द फूड व्हिच वी आर ईटिंग, that is not getting digested. If the food is not getting digested, it will not get assimilated, and if the food is not getting assimilated, that means each and every cell of our body will not be supplied with the required nutrients. ओके, तो उसी वजह से आप देखोगे कॉन्स्टिपेशन हुआ, बहुत फटीग हो रहा है, बहुत टायर्डनेस लग रहा है. We say that I'm eating everything, all the things, whatever you just name it, I can buy it, I can have it, but still I'm not feeling energetic. Okay, why? The reason is because आपका पेट साफ नहीं हो रहा है. Now constipation के लिए remember, I mean, lot of times I have told this. Again, I'll be repeating, and I just tell you, you all of you, those who are listening to this today, this session, and if you have bloating problem and constipation and gastric problem, please try. I won't use the word try. Do this for 1 month, and then after 1 month, you come back to me. Say, and definitely I'll say that you will be giving a very positive feedback, and that is a very simple thing, but it is going to be tasteless. I'll tell you, the most easiest and the best option is just buy Ashgod, which is called as Safed Petha. It is easily available all through the year. You will find this in your local market. आराम से मिल जाता है. You can, actually full Ashgod, if you buy, it is little bigger in size. So once you buy it, and if 2 people are drinking this juice every morning, so 3 to 4 days you can keep the Ashgod in your refrigerator. Only thing is, when you cut it, कट करने के बाद में उसको अच्छे से आप रैप करके then you put it in the refrigerator, because वो सूख जाता है. Okay, now Ashgod is also called as Safed Petha in Hindi. So it's like bottle gourd is the long one, ऐसा लंबा होता है, Ashgod गोल होता है. So buy that, cut it, just remove the skin and remove the seeds, cut it into pieces, add water, put it in your mixer or blender or juicer, आपके पास जो भी है, simple normal mixer में आपने डाला, उसमें पानी 1 या 2 ग्लास आपने डाल दिया. You just churn it, strain करके, when you get up in the morning, so जैसे ही आप उठते हैं, after drinking water and brushing your teeth, you have 1 full glass of Ashgod juice. Ashgod juice in Ayurveda, Ashgod in Ayurveda is considered as high pranic food. So इसकी जो juice होती है, it's actually tasteless. ठीक है, बट ये जूस क्या काम करता है? इट एंटर्स आवर बॉडी, और जितना भी अंदर में टॉक्सिन्स जमा हुआ है, whatever, सालों साल से, see, all the toxins are not going to get accumulated in one day. It's been over a period of time. faulty eating habit, lack of exercise, wrong faulty lifestyle, बहुत सारी चीजें इसको अकाउंट करती है. तो ये जो जब टॉक्सिन्स जमा होता है अपने अंदर, वी डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड कि टॉक्सिन्स आर गेटिंग एक्यूमुलेटेड. वी अंडरस्टैंड ओनली व्हेन वी फॉल सिक. ठीक है, तो ये टॉक्सिन्स को खींच के बॉडी के बाहर फेंकने का काम है एशगॉर्ड का, सफेद पेठे का. एंड बिलीव मी, no medicine, no other vegetable or fruit can play such an important role as ashgord can play. You have to just stick to this. आपको अच्छा लगे या ना लगे, if you make a habit, at least for 1 month, you start drinking this ashgord juice empty stomach. Initially you will not like, but see, medicines भी डॉक्टर कहता है तो हम अपनी तबीयत अच्छी रखने के लिए मेडिसिन खाते हैं. So same way you consider this juice also as a medicine. You start this. So what happens is whatever toxins, जितना भी आपके अंदर, especially हमारे पेट में जितनी गंदगी जमी हुई है, the ashgord juice has the capacity or the capability to attract all the toxins. ये चिपक चिपक के जूस के साथ में वो पूरा फ्लश आउट हो जाता है. So अगर आप 1 महीना, if you try this for 1 month, 30 days, 45 days, you will actually get to see the result. आपको 100% इसमें result मिलेगा. And you will definitely come back and tell me that, okay, I got benefit, you know, like lot of things you yourself will be able to observe कि क्या क्या changes आपके body में हुए health level पे. So make sure that you're including ashgord juice in your diet. Apart from ashgord juice, see, now this is in the morning, we are going to have the juice empty stomach. ठीक है, फिर एक बार आपका जब breakfast time जब होता है, so like, you know, giving a gap after juice, you give a gap of, see, I will not be saying tea or coffee anywhere. If you listen to the whole session, you'll find that I'm not going to speak about tea or coffee, especially early in the morning, because it's not about going against chai or coffee. You can have tea or coffee, but not two things which we always have to remember. One is empty stomach. Do not put that tea or coffee inside your body because both are acidic. And when we get up in the morning, we have to supply something alkaline to our body. Okay, so that वो पूरे दिन के लिए हमें energy मिले. क्योंकि टी एंड कॉफी से अ काइंड ऑफ बूस्ट वी आर गेटिंग. ठीक है, एक हमें एक अजीब सा एक एनर्जी मिलता है, बट दैट एनर्जी इज थोड़े टाइम के लिए काम आता है. लेकिन अगर आपको पूरे दिन, इफ यू वांट टू बी एनर्जेटिक, सो वन थिंग, व्हेन यू गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग, स्टार्ट इंक्लूडिंग समथिंग अल्कलाइन. दैट अल्कलाइन कैन बी वन ashgord juice. After having ashgord juice, then say give 1 hour's gap. You can go for either, you know, 2 bananas, elaichi banana, or you can go for 2 apples with the skin. Yesterday also I said, do not remove the skin, just soak apples in water for half an hour, 1 hour, so that hygiene point of view say it's absolutely neat and clean. And with the skin you have apples, 2 apples. So one day you can go for 2 apples, one day you can go for 2 bananas, like this, you know. Third day you can go for fresh orange juice. So this way, like when we talk about constipation, this is the most natural way by which you can get rid of constipation. नंबर 1, सुबह उठ के आप 1 महीने के लिए ashgord जूस पीना. उसके 1 घंटे के बाद में एक दिन आप 2 इलायची केला लेना. नेक्स्ट डे यू हैव 2 एप्पल्स. थर्ड डे यू हैव 1 glass of fresh orange juice prepared at home. 2 orange को लेके काट के squeeze it, add little water to it, but no sugar, no salt. So 3 things you have got. Alternatively, आप इसको change कर करके just 1 month you try this. Complete detox will happen. Like, you know, you yourself will be able to see the difference. The difference will be your energy levels are going to be high when once you observe. Second difference you will find that your skin starts glowing. Third is you will find that you are not आप जैसे ना मॉर्निंग उठ के वॉशरूम जाके बॉल मूवमेंट के लिए जो परेशान होते हैं कि पेट नहीं साफ हो रहा है, उस तरह से आपको परेशानी नहीं होगी. इजीली आप आराम से वॉशरूम जाके आ जाएंगे, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. सो बिकॉज पेट जब तक साफ नहीं होता है तब तक आप देखोगे कि जो हम लोग का सारा दिन का है ना, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ इरिटेशन भी लगा रहता है एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू डाइजेस्ट द फूड. आपको एक चिड़चिड़ापन लगा रहता है, वो भी कम हो जाता है. सो दीज आर थिंग्स विच यू कैन try out. And just moving on to few more remedies and then I'll take up the questions. So one is, another good one is, but if you are non-diabetic you can go for this, and that is मुनक्का. जो ब्लैक वाला रेजिन्स होता है जिसको मुनक्का कहते हैं हिंदी में. So some 8 to 10 black raisins, you soak it at night and morning you chew this. Again, this has to be empty stomach. Whatever I'm saying, all these are alkaline things which has to go inside the stomach in the morning when the stomach is empty. So आप मुनक्का को चबा चबा के अच्छे से खाना, chew it very nicely and don't throw the water, drink that water also. So this is another home remedy which can be done for constipation. After this, one more thing is soft. We all have soft at home. So soft को just roast it lightly. You roast it and usko mixie mein you make powder, and this powder, 1 teaspoon soft powder, you add it to warm water and drink at night before going to bed. This will also help to to get rid of constipation as well as जो bloating जो stomach में लगता है, because वैसे भी सौंफ हम लोग चबा के खाते हैं but कभी कभी वो सौंफ चबाने में दिक्कत होती है. So this is a good way wherein you can make powder, add it to water, and then before going to bed you can have this water. Now I was talking about the probiotic, right? So wherein we are supplying the good bacteria का growth हमारे पेट में हो रहा है for digestion. Sugarcane is something where people, I don't know why, they are afraid of having sugarcane juice. लेकिन if you go to the market or the place जहाँ पे sugarcane juice वाला है, उसके सामने खड़े होकर के आप जब बनवाएंगे उसको, so make sure that he is making it a hygienic way. At least drink this. If you are not diabetic, I'm not talking about people who are diabetic. If general health is good, if you're not suffering from diabetes, so then go for sugarcane juice. So sugarcane juice अगर आप हफ्ते में 2 या 3 बार भी एक ग्लास लेते हैं, that will really help for the growth of those good bacteria which are required for digestion. Then radish plays a very important role. Radish आप जितना ज्यादा include करेंगे, radish का juice, थोड़ा सा मूली का juice या मूली की सब्जी या मूली का अचार, so these kind of things if you start adding in your diet, that will also help to get rid of constipation to some extent. But radish is something a lot of people do not like the taste and smell, so we have other options also. And last but not least, exercising and walking. Okay, now when we talk about exercising and walking, so morning everybody goes for walk and everybody is doing some amount of pranayam and exercise and everything. फिर शाम तक हम लोग बैठ जाते हैं एक जगह पे, उसके बाद में इवनिंग में थोड़ा वॉक करते हैं, फिर बैठ जाते हैं. So this again creates the digestion food का ठीक से नहीं हो पाता है. So make sure that every 1 hour, आप पहले भी मैंने ये बात काफी बार बोला है, but still if you have forgotten, you just note it down somewhere and set an alarm in your phone. So every 1 hour you are just getting up for a minute and walking forward and backward. ज्यादा नहीं, सिर्फ 10 steps. आप 10 step forward चलिए, 10 step backward and stretch yourself. खाली थोड़ा सा साइड वाइज आपने ट्विस्ट किया अपने आप को, it will take 1 to 2 minutes. So if you form this habit of getting up every 1 hour, walking forward, walking backward, stretching yourself 2 to 3 times, this will take only 2 minutes. So हर घंटे अगर आप ये वाला एक्सरसाइज जो अगर आप करेंगे, so you will find कि 90% आपका जो ब्लोटिंग प्रॉब्लम है, जो इंडाइजेशन की इश्यू है, जो पेट हमेशा फूला लगता है, ये काफी हद तक कम हो जाएगा. So these are small things which we have to take care of. Yeah, Preeti, any questions?
Yes, ma'am. I will take like one by one.
Yeah.
So the first question is, does thyroid tablets also cause bloating along with antibiotics? Ma'am,
Again,
as you
very
told
quickly.
that antibiotics cause bloating, so is it true for thyroid tablets as well?
See, thyroid is a condition wherein you have to be under medication because you can't stop the thyroid tablet until doctor says, right? Okay. So there, any medication if you take, उसके कहीं ना कहीं थोड़े बहुत side effect रहते ही हैं. Okay. But then unnecessarily when we take medicines, वो ज़्यादा it is going to create more problem. So in your case, you won't be able to stop the thyroid medicine. You have to continue with that. But then you do some other measures also, home remedies also, which I said. But definitely it has an impact on the health. Yeah.
Ma'am, the next question is what is the quantity of apple cider vinegar?
It is just 2 teaspoons is enough.
Okay,
Not
moving
much.
to the next one. What about prebiotics rice gruel? Having it on empty stomach.
What about
Probiotics rice. Sumati
probiotics rice?
Balaji, she has asked. Yes, ma'am.
It's old rice which has been Bhavani ji, old rice which has been soaked overnight and then had it in the morning. Gruel.
Okay. So fermented rice you are saying.
Yeah, yes, right.
Yes,
Right.
you can have that. Yes, that can be taken.
That also works, right? As a
Yes,
probiotic.
yes. Yeah. Any other question?
Madam,
With,
how to take cider vinegar, apple cider vinegar?
huh?
How to take apple cider vinegar?
No, I didn't get your question.
How to
Ma'am,
take apple
How to
cider
take?
vinegar? Yeah.
Just 2 teaspoon as it is you have to take. That's it.
In morning में
Morning, empty stomach. Yes.
मैम डाइल्यूट करके
डाइल्यूट अगर आपको लगता है करने की जरूरत है तो अदरवाइज जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है, वैसे ही ले सकते हैं.
ओके मैम.
Okay.
ma'am, the next one is just a minute, people. We will take it one by one. Yeah. So, what brand of hing you have shown?
No, Preeti, I did not get the question.
Ma'am, the hing you just shown like in the starting. So, what brand was of it?
Brand.
People just put yourself on mute for the time being, and I will be taking questions. So you just write in the chat.
This is a Thakkar Hing wala. It's written, and
Okay.
I am from Mumbai. So, but I think you get this. मिल जाएगा कोई भी shop में. Yeah.
So okay, we can have Thakkar hing, and then ma'am, can you please repeat hing and black salt remedy?
Hing and
Black salt.
okay. So hing and black salt, hing powder and black salt powder in equal quantity. You mix it and heat any oil, coconut oil or mustard oil, any oil you heat it and add this powder to it, and you have to massage it on your navel part, on your stomach part, massage for 5 to 7 minutes and then go for walking. You know, थोड़ा सा walk करेंगे तो वो हल्का होता है, gastric problem से आराम मिलता है. Okay.
Okay, moving to the next one. How to remove pesticide or wax of apples?
Okay, so for this, as I said, the best solution is when you buy apples, just take a big, large container, adding water to it, soak these apples to it. Okay, plain water may you have to soak it for half an hour to 1 hour. This is the best way to remove, the insecticide or pesticide or wax, whatever is present. Another way is you can just add a small quantity of alum to water. थोड़ा सा और ज्यादा अगर आपको क्लीन करना है उसको, but absolutely it's safe if you just add it in plain water. You can have apple with skin. I can see here some of the questions. One is, are you asking one by one, Preeti?
Yes, ma'am. The next question is how much safed petha per glass of water?
Okay, so say this size, this cube, medium cube size, if you are taking 6 to 7 pieces, that 1 glass of water can be added to it. Okay.
Okay, the next one is ACV, how to take early morning.
Just a 2 teaspoon. If you want, you can just take it as it is. If you want to dilute it, you can dilute it with water.
Okay, I'm moving to the next. Does soft lead to water retention?
Does?
Soft lead to water retention.
No, nothing like that. No.
Okay, Beena ji, if I'm having lemon honey water, can we have the ashgar juice as well?
No, if you are having lemon honey water in the morning, so give a gap of at least 30 to 45 minutes. Then you can go for ashgourd juice. Or maybe you can first drink ashgourd juice and after half an hour you can go for lemon honey. But not together.
Can we add lemon and black salt to ashgar juice?
No, lemon can't be added. Black salt, okay, if you want to make it a little tastier, you can add it, but no lemon.
How to prepare ashgar juice?
Oh, very
Just
simple.
cut it into pieces, remove the skin, remove the seeds, add water, and put it in the mixer or blender. You get the juice. You have to just strain it and drink it. That's it. But you can't refrigerate it, huh? Immediately you have to drink.
Bhavani ji, I take it early morning.
Oh, Prakash, you are there. Okay, I
Yeah.
could see. Okay. Actually, I can't
take
see
it.
anyone. Sorry.
I
Ma'am,
take
the next.
Yeah, Preeti, I didn't get your voice.
Ma'am, the next one is Merlin. She's asking, are you a dietitian? Can you guide us for weight loss too?
So yes, I'm a dietitian, but weight loss, we will do a different session, complete session on that. So today we'll focus only on abdominal bloating, but I'll make a note of it. We'll do a session on it. Yeah.
Remedy for migraine due to indigestion.
Remedy for migraine. Okay, so yesterday I had discussed this point for headaches and all. Let's not take this topic today. We'll just focus on what we are discussing about abdominal bloating.
Is
मेरे को
ashgar
बताएंगे
white
दोबारा से?
bhopla?
Ashgard is white bhopla, correct.
Same
Correct.
ashgard.
Yes. In Maharashtra, it is called as safed bhopla.
Okay, Prakash ji, you were saying something. Let
It is
just
known
finish
as
it.
नहीं, मैंने बताया वही है, सेम ashgard है, white bhopla.
Okay. Can
अच्छा,
we
थोड़ा
have
थोड़ा
ashgar
बताएंगे, मैं
with
देर से आया हूँ, देर से ज्वाइन किया.
Okay.
ब्लोटिंग के लिए क्या बताया आपने?
can we have ashgar with banana smoothie with greens?
Prakash ji and Preeti, both of you are simultaneously talking. I didn't get.
No.
क्या कह रहे हैं आप प्रकाश जी?
आपने क्या क्या बताया? मैं थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन किया ना मैंने.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
Bloating के लिए.
क्वेश्चंस होने के बाद टाइम रहा तो मैं रिपीट करती हूँ.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Okay, fine.
प्रीति, what were you asking?
Can we have ashgar with banana smoothie with greens?
Ashgard banana smoothie?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Ashgard banana smoothie will not be a correct combination. Better not to go for that. Yeah.
Can we take aloe vera in place of ashgar?
सीधे.
See, aloe vera is also good, but ashgard is something totally out of the world. It's a high pranic food. So both have got their certain own properties. So, but ashgard top level pe aata hai. So one specifically for removing the toxins and getting rid of constipation. So go for ashgard juice, and then you see the difference. Aloe vera ठीक है, aloe vera बाद में भी ले सकते हैं, ठीक है? Yeah.
What is elaichi banana?
I have
Small banana.
Yes, Neetaji.
बहुत क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हैं.
Yeah, sorry. Ma'am, I wanted to ask you that ashgard बहुत ठंडा रहता है body के लिए. So the person who's having this respiratory problems, like then how can they drink that? I mean, कैसे पी सकते हैं, कैसे ले सकते
Because
हैं?
see, ashgard ज़्यादा ठंडा नहीं होता है. Bottle gourd is ज़्यादा ठंडा. Like if you see लौकी की वजह से आर्थराइटिस की जिनकी प्रॉब्लम होती है, एस्थमेटिक प्रॉब्लम होते हैं, वो बढ़ते हैं उसके. but ash god से generally नहीं होता है, but 1% if you have that feeling कि ठंडा बढ़ रहा है इसकी वजह से you are getting some problem, so one thing which can be done is थोड़ा सा उसमें black pepper powder you add to the ash god juice and you drink it, so that might be a solution, but usually ऐसा नहीं होता है ash god से.
Okay. Okay, and one more doubt.
Can I ask one question? Can I ask a question?
Ma'am, just one single time. आपने वो जो radish juice बताया, so
हाँ.
instead of radish juice, we eat radish pieces करके उसके अंदर नींबू डाल के जीरा डाल के खाते हैं. So will that be fine or
Yes,
radish
yes,
juice?
that's perfect. आप ले सकते हैं, yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Instead of taking juice, can we have pieces of ash guard?
Pieces of ash god, like how? I mean, you know,
खाया नहीं
first
जाएगा.
thing is,
खाया नहीं जाएगा.
we will not like to eat just raw ash god.
No, I
Then-
liked it.
Huh?
I liked it.
Like you liked it, so that's something strange. Who is this actually? Sorry, I can't see. I can't see.
Jyoti ji.
I'm
She's
Jyoti.
Jyoti.
Jyoti. okay.
सांबार बना के खाओ सांबार.
नहीं, सांबार बनाना अलग चीज है, वो पक जाएगा उसमें. एश गॉड हमको कच्चा खाना है, तो जूस मैंने बताया, ज्योति कह रही है उनको वैसे ही कच्चा खाना अच्छा लग रहा है. समथिंग स्ट्रेंज, इफ यू आर लाइकिंग इट देन प्लीज गो अहेड, क्योंकि मैंने आज तक सुना नहीं किसी को कच्चा एश गॉड अच्छा लगता है करके. गुड, इफ यू आर लाइकिंग.
Ma'am, kanji recipe, please. Kanji recipe, please, ma'am.
कांजी रेसिपी है ना, एक्चुअली यस, आई थिंक अभी टाइम है वो अपने पास. डू वी हैव टाइम प्रीति?
Ma'am, just 7 minutes.
Any other question is there before I talk about kanji?
There are like a number of questions. So let me take one by one.
May I ask?
Is apple, banana, and orange juice is instead of breakfast? Will that do?
No, again, please repeat.
Ma'am, in place of breakfast, can they just take apple, banana, or orange juice?
Then that's absolutely fantastic. It's good if you have this here.
Okay, so the next
what
one
is-
is what can I add to ACV to make it less sour?
शुगर नहीं रखे.
Are so many times you're asking the same
So you
question.
need
At
not
least
add
I-
anything to ACV. As it is, you can have, just add water if you want. That's it.
Ash God से इनको stomach pain हुआ था, so how to correct that?
Hey, ash god से stomach pain हुआ था. It can't be like, you know, 100% that because of ash god. Number one is, first thing you have to find out कि ash god अच्छी quality का आपने लिया था क्या. Secondly, ash god से stomach वैसे problem होता नहीं है. It might be because of some other food which you have taken and you are relating it to ash god. ऐसा हो सकता है. Okay.
Okay. Can person with hernia take Ash God juice?
This is little dicey. So for the time being, I would suggest no.
Ma'am, we can take the questions for the people. Yes, Sudha ji, yes.
I want to ask whether ash guard should be had empty stomach, or I can have a glass of plain water and then have ash guard, and whether I can use warm water for it, or it has to be room temperature water.
No, it has to be in the form of raw juice only.
So first you have to, when you wake up, if you have a glass of water, and then you have this ash guard juice.
Yes.
That is okay.
Yes, correct. Yes.
And the water can be warm, or it has to be room temperature cold.
Which water you are talking about?
To make the ash guard.
No, that has to be room temperature water.
And only a little amount. Only a few pieces of ash guard. A few pieces of
5 to 6 pieces you can add just to 1 glass of water. Yeah.
And in a mixie, just mash it and drink it.
Yes. I think the time is almost over. So I think
Just one doubt, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can people having liver cirrhosis can have this Asgard juice in the morning?
Liver cirrhosis, no, no, for the time being, no. It would be better not to have. Any medical condition if you have, and then without checking with your health professional, you should not go for that. So better not to have. Yeah. And before we end kanji recipe, someone asked, I can see Beena ji on the screen after a long time. So, hello Beena ji, how are you? आप बीना जी है ना? हाँ, या बीना जी अनम्यूट कीजिए अपने आप को, बहुत दिनों के बाद में दिख रहे हैं आप. So because Beena ji has made kanji, so I wanted to check the recipe from her only.
Hi.
Hello Beena ji, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing? Your classes are very interesting. Your classes are always very interesting.
Why I'm not able to hear you?
I don't know. I put it on.
Beena ji, can you
hear me now? Yeah, I can hear you.
Can you hear me now? Unmute कीजिए अपने आप को.
No,
Ma'am, Beena Bhandekar, she is speaking. Are you asking her or Beena Bayani?
No,
ma'am?
I'm okay. No, I was talking to Beena Bayani ji.
Okay, so it got some confusion.
There are two Beenas.
काफी दिनों के बाद में बीना जी दिख रही हैं मुझे.
Yeah, I'm also taking regularly escort as much as I can get, but without sieving. मैंने छानती नहीं उसको, ऐसे ही मिक्सी में घुमा के.
आप मुझे बीना जी, आप मुझे बताइए, कांजी आपने बनाया था और आपने दिखाया भी था, तो कांजी में आपने क्या-क्या डाला था? एक बार किसी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा है.
गाजर और बीट, कच्चा गाजर और बीट को थोड़ा सा स्क्रैप करके और पानी में डाल दिया था, और ओवरनाइट रखने के बाद 2 दिन में कंज्यूम किया. और उसमें आप थोड़ा सा पिसा हुआ राई डाला था, पिसा हुआ राई.
करेक्ट. यस.
और नमक नहीं डाला आपने, नमक नहीं डालो. बाद में आपने कहा अगर किसी को नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है तो लिटिल बिट यू कैन पुट.
Yes. Yeah. So those who want to make kanji, this is a very Indian probiotic. बहुत easily you can make it. Just you have to cut carrot into pieces. Few pieces of carrot, few pieces of beetroot, add it to 1 liter of water, and उसमें थोड़ा सा mustard seeds का 1/4 teaspoon mustard seed powder डाल के you overnight, I mean 2-3 days के लिए you cover it, and वो अपने आप ferment होता है 2-3 दिन में. उसको strain करके you can drink this for next 2-3 days or 4 days. So this is a very good Indian probiotic. Like curd है, curd के साथ में kanji is something, especially in north it is very famous. तो ये आप ले सकते हैं, पर विंटर कम हो गया है ना, तो कांजी ज्यादा नहीं लेते लोग, विंटर में ज्यादा लिया जाता है इसको.
होली में ज्यादा पीते हैं राकेश, होली में.
And tomorrow is lifestyle management session at 4 p.m. So quickly I'll share my screen, and all of you, I request you all, please do give your feedback. I don't know, my this feedback never comes to me. So just I'm requesting you all, ये देखिए feed आपको जैसे once you get the notes, so you will get to see feedback this thing over here. ऐसे आपको दिखेगा, तो यहाँ पे आप जब click करेंगे, so you will get to see this rate your session, rate your guide, and add comment. So please do this, all of you, and thank you so much for joining.
Bhavani ji, I want to ask you one thing. In the kanji, don't you add the rice?
Don't what rice?
Rice.
No, in this way, when we prepare kanji, we don't add rice. The probiotic with rice, which you are saying, that is a different thing. Okay, this is something different.
Okay, so you mean
rice is not added.
Keep it aside for 2-3 days.
Pardon?
We have to keep it aside for 2-3 days.
Yes, you have to keep it for 2-3 days to get it fermented. Yes. And then strain it and drink it. Okay.
Okay. So
ma'am, we will be concluding the session, people.
Yes,
it's
now it's
already
we'll conclude the
Thank
session.
you, ma'am. Very nice it was.
Thank you so much, all of you, for joining.
We don't have to boil that?
No. You can't boil it.
Drink the water. Just drink the water.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much for joining, and tomorrow see you at 4 p.m. Lifestyle management.
Sure.
Thank you, all of you. Take care. Bye.